dysfunction with the IT band has been coming up lately, both in my own life and in one of my children's bodies, and then in another one of my children's friends' bodies. So I thought this would be a good time to share with you a couple of things that you might be able to try to see if you can get some relief for your IT or iliotibial band. As always, do check with your healthcare provider to make sure that you know what you are working with before you would try any of these types of exercises or stretches. So if you do know that you have some IT band dysfunction and you've got some exercises to try and you'd like to look at it from a yoga perspective, here's what I offer for you. First of all, if you don't already know your IT band, it's a band of connective tissue that starts right about here, comes all along the outside of your thigh, and then inserts into your shin bone, right near the knee. So that's the area of the body that we're talking about. And so here's what I'd like you to try if your PT hasn't already suggested this. So you would cross into what's called a figure 4 or a sitting pigeon pose. Resting, I'm working on this IT band here, resting the ankle, not hopefully directly right on the knee, but a little bit more like this. And you might start to feel a big stretch already right there. And if so, take several breaths here. And if you're not feeling too much, or as you linger here, the sensation starts to subside, consider bringing your upper body forward. I'm starting to feel a lot in my IT band right along here, so you might give that a try. I would encourage you to come forward very slowly. Don't just go whoop like that, but just take your time with it and see how that feels. And again, in order to affect this area, you're going to want to take several breaths. So you have to decide just how long you want to breathe there. And then if you have folded forward, you would want to slowly rise back up. The second thing that you could try is to grab a tennis ball, or these are called pinky balls. You could even use a lacrosse ball, but those are considerably harder. This has a little bit of give, but it's not quite as soft as a tennis ball. And what you could do is take that ball, or maybe even a foam roller. You can check with your physical therapist or other healthcare provider, and just start to massage into that IT band, starting up here, and then rolling it all the way down. If that's not enough, you could stand up against a wall and place this ball, whatever you're using, between your IT band in the various areas and the wall, and really press into there. It doesn't feel great, but it can give you some relief. So again, check with your doctor, your physical therapist, your other healthcare provider. Make sure that that's what you're dealing with is an IT band issue, and then see if these couple of options will work for you. I would love to work with you in person, so I encourage you to go to my website and click on the private sessions tab and see if we can work not only on your IT band, but on the various other areas of your body. So hope to hear from you. Have a good one.